Would you like to see your workspaces displayed just like I have it? That's just one button you need to press. It's very convenient to have your workspaces displayed this way. Instead, you can go to Window Workspaces and then switch. But if you're in a hurry and you want to quickly go to, for example, Vertical, which is an amazing workspace, what you have to do, there's a little button or icon that you click on right next to the workspace. It's called Workspaces. Click on it and then go all the way down and make sure you check Show Workspace Tabs. There you have the whole list. That's not all. You can set the workspaces, so make it bigger, smaller, that's fine. But also if you click one more time and you go to Edit Workspaces, okay, then you can decide which ones appear in your list. Okay, so if you have workspaces that you absolutely don't use, I do have workspaces like that, for example, you can just drag them into the Do Not Show Workspace tab. So like Review, Bank, Do Not Show, done, okay? So then your list can be essentially workspaces that you only use and the rest is history. Of course, you will always find it if you go to Window Workspaces and there you see all the workspaces, regardless. That's pretty much it. But the point is, if you like the video, give a like, comment, and subscribe. And you can also, and I would strongly recommend to check out my PDF guide for Premiere Pro. It's tips and hacks to make you a quicker editor for all levels, absolutely hidden tools that you didn't know about. That's all I'm gonna say. You can get it, follow the link below in the description of this video, or you can go to nicoleben.com, go to online courses, ebooks, and you're gonna find a lot of educational resources. So enjoy.